Social Security is a primary retirement income source, but the system is complex and can be confusing for many. In this video series, I want to help you understand it better so you can better prepare for your retirement. Social Security replaces a percentage of your income based on your earnings from when you were working. The benefit amount you receive depends on how much money you've made, how long you've worked, and when you start drawing benefits. If you earn more in your pre-retirement years, your benefits will be higher. And if you have gap years where you didn't work or years you had lower earnings, your benefits may be lower. You may be wondering how Social Security works. Americans pay taxes into Social Security in their working years. This tax money pays benefits for the people who are using the system. These groups are people who have already retired, people who are disabled, survivors of workers who have died, and dependents of beneficiaries. And any leftover money goes into the Social Security Trust Fund. Now, when you draw Social Security, you may have to pay taxes on your benefits. This applies if you make more than $25,000 as an individual or more than $32,000 jointly on your federal tax return. If you're thinking about starting to take Social Security, you should apply for it 4 months before you plan to draw any benefits. You may be thinking, when should I start taking it to maximize my retirement earnings? We'll talk about that in detail in our next video. My goal is to assist you in maximizing your Social Security benefits, coordinating them with your spouses, and filling the gap between your benefits and overall retirement income needs. For more information on Social Security, visit retirementadvisors.net to set up a time to speak about your individual situation.